Hi guys, and welcome to my channel Arabic with me, Rana. So from now on I will be posting some of my videos on Facebook, especially those like the one word or one expression or one idiom in Arabic. So today's video we are going to have a word that you all say when you start to learn the Arabic language, but you don't know really how to make it like really so much, like how to exaggerate this word, or how, let's say it's an adjective, which is tired. The word tired. Tired. The word tired means in Arabic تعبان. 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 You all start knowing this word from the very beginning of the books, let's say exactly in the beginner level. So you would say تعبان for a guy, تعبان, and you would say تعبانة, تعبانة for a girl. تعبان, تعبانة, تعبان, تعبانة. But let's say like you are like really tired. Would you say like أنا تعبان and كثيرا? So you would always say كثيرا, or in spoken you would always say كتير, كتير. Well, no, you don't have to. Just like English, when you want to exaggerate the thing or the adjective you are saying, you don't have to say so much, which is very much. You have actually some other words in the dictionary you may use. So this is our word for this video, which is like exhausted. I'm really exhausted. I'm very tired. I'm exhausted. So we would say it is for a male. You would say مرهق. 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 And for a girl, you would say مرهقة. مرهقة. So it has the ha sound like in house, the word house, and the qa sound, which you don't say in English. You don't have it in English. So it's the qa, qa. So it's the heavy K. So you would say مرهق for a male and مرهقة for a girl. And you may tell me, but in spoken Rana, sometimes we don't pronounce the qa. Is it okay here in this word to not pronounce the qa? Well, I would tell you no. Do not ever say murha. Murha, we don't really say it. It's not really a word. So we will always say murhaq, even if you are the person who is learning the Levantine and you are not pronouncing the qa letter. So you would pronounce it. You will pronounce it. So it is murhaq and murhaqa. So this is like exhausted. I'm really so tired, so much tired. So this is our word for today. I hope you like it. If you like it, please do not forget to have the like button, to hit it, to make a comment if you like it. Maybe if you have any questions also, comment below. And if you are like really enjoying my videos, please share it with your friends so the channel and the Facebook page will be shared with lots of people, and I will be helping lots of people, hopefully. So love you guys, love you so much, and I will see you later. Bye bye.